Are you confused about cryptocurrency terms? Wondering what are altcoins? Well, in this video we will discuss all about altcoins. Keep watching. Before that, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin. They are cryptocurrencies that use a technology called blockchain that allows secure peer-to-peer transactions. Altcoins build on the success of Bitcoin by slightly changing the rules to appeal to different users. How do altcoins work? Generally speaking, altcoins work much like the original Bitcoin. Using a private key, you can send a payment from your digital wallet to another user's wallet. In a cryptocurrency such as these, there is a blockchain, or recording ledger, where the transactions are permanently and publicly recorded, so exchanges can't be altered or denied after the fact. The blockchain is secured by mathematics proofs which confirm transactions in blocks. Altcoin versus Bitcoin. Altcoins don't all follow the same rules as Bitcoin. For example, while Bitcoin will only ever mine, or produce, Bitcoins every 10 minutes, an altcoin called Litecoin will produce coins every 2.5 minutes. This makes Litecoin able to process payments faster. Litecoin will also produce 84 million Litecoins, whereas Bitcoin will only produce 21 million Bitcoins. Litecoin also uses a different set of rules for mining than Bitcoin. Whereas Bitcoins require costly hardware to mine, Litecoins can be mined with common computer hardware. Litecoin is just one of the thousands of altcoins on the market. Some altcoins stand out as popular alternatives to Bitcoin, although they don't reach Bitcoin's $100 billion market cap. A few examples of altcoins include Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, Litecoin. Pros and cons of altcoins. Pros: improve on Bitcoin's flaws. Provide competition. Low transaction fees. Cons: value is very volatile. High potential for scams and fraud. Types of altcoins. Altcoins are sometimes projects from enthusiasts, and sometimes the basis for whole new businesses. They can even be more than coins, developing into entire new frameworks for everything from messaging applications to online marketplaces. Note, some coins, such as SolarCoin, have been designed as a unit of exchange for solar power production. Others, such as Namecoin, have formed the basis for a new system of domain names on the internet. Consider these different types of altcoins. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are altcoins that are designed to combat the volatility of cryptocurrency by tying their value to an underlying index, commodity, or security. Tether is one example of a stablecoin. Libra is a stablecoin under development by Facebook. Digital tokens. Altcoins that function as digital tokens are supported by an underlying blockchain platform. For example, Uniswap, Uni, is a digital token, as it is built on Ethereum. Some investors seek to earn returns by exchanging altcoins with each other too, but as an investment, it's risky. Virtual currencies trade on unregulated exchanges, which leave you vulnerable to price manipulation, fraud, and other problems. Key takeaways. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin. Altcoins are a form of digital currency, or cryptocurrency, each with its own set of rules. Altcoins are very new and their prices can be very volatile. Subscribe our channel and check our organized playlist. Happy investing!